morning. It is a Tuesday morning in March. The big man and I, unfortunately, we're planning a trail walk today, but we did catch some weather and we're going to have to stick to the concrete. So we came to one of our favorite parks and we're going to go check out a trail behind the park if it's not too muddy. There's the big man. Big man, you want to say hello? Big man says hello. Very quiet at the park today. It is supposed to be 100% rain, and as you can see, we've already gotten some. Even though we're at the park, there's still some nature to be had. You can hear the birds. Come on, buddy. So we've been in this area of San Diego going on about 4 years, and this is one of our go-to parks just because it is very convenient to come here during all times of the year. There's a trail and path up there. There's a trail and a path behind. In fact, I think we'll try to see what it looks like over there, but you can see why this is one of our go-tos. It's very peaceful. Leo likes it a lot. It's close to where we live. Say hello, madman. Okay. Let's go see if it's not too wetty on this trail, bud. Let's go see if it's not too muddy on this trail. Maybe we'll get a trail walk in after all, if the big man's up for it. Lots of smells with the wet cover of rain. Let's go see if we can't get in here. Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. Let's go see. Want to check it out, Mudfoot? Come on, Mudfoot. A little narrow. We should be all right. There he goes. Whoa. Lead the way, big man. Looks like this is gonna be our last trail walk for the next couple days with the weather. A little very slick. Very muddy. Nice one, big man. Like I mentioned, this is a go-to park of ours, so we're pretty familiar with this. We just thought we'd give you a quick look today. What do you think, buddy? Come on, pal. The birds are quiet today. Very gloomy today. And it's not going to stop this guy from getting in nature. Nature boy, Pootie. All right, pal. Tell you what, buddy. Hey, let's head back. What do you say? I feel like the rain's coming a little bit. Let's not get caught in it. What do you say? Nah, you're a good boy. Come on. Take that back. He's not the good boy. He's the best boy. Best dude. All right, buddy, come on. Uh-oh. Big man starts running, there's no stopping him. Except for when he stops. I'm ready, buddy. All right, Mudfoot. Let's get back up to the park. Let's get back up to the park, Mudfoot. Nice stairs, buddy. Nice. Good form, pal. Whoops. All right, guys, I think we're just gonna sniff around for a little bit, let the big man take in the smells. We appreciate you coming with us today. Big man, you wanna say goodbye? Big man, you wanna say goodbye? Man, a few words. Thanks for coming with us today, guys.